Ever wonder what happens when you get your roof replaced? Like from the first knock at the door until final cleanup? And more importantly, how do you prepare yourself so you're not caught off guard by noise, a mess, or unexpected surprises? In this video, I'm going to walk you through an entire roof replacement process, step by step, that way you know what to expect. By the end of this video, you'll feel fully ready for your roof replacement, whether it's happening next week or next year. Hi, I'm Britt with Hoel Roofing Remodeling. Today I want to address one of the questions that we get the most frequent. What does the actual day of a roof installation look like, and how can we best prepare for that? So before the crew even arrives, there's a few things around your house that you can do to be prepared for the roof installation. A few things that we recommend is take any yard ornaments or anything that's close to the roof where a shingle could fall off and damage it during the tear off. Take those, move those away, patio furniture as well. Make sure that the cars are either in the garage or they're backed up far enough away from the house where nothing can damage those as well. And it's always a good idea to secure any wall decor you have hanging up. The crew should arrive early in the morning. However, our production manager will coordinate that with you to make sure that it aligns with your schedule as well. The tear off typically takes 2 to 3 hours, but that's very dependent on the size of the roof. If you have a large roof, it may take 5 or 6, or it could take even more. That really is dependent on size. And then as far as the noise aspect of the job, you should expect it to be extremely noisy, as there's thousands of nails being ripped off, thousands of shingles being ripped off. It's going to be a very loud process. For the installation process, once the tear off is complete, we're going to inspect the decking and make sure that the wood is in good condition and that we can move forward with the roof. So first off, we're going to put our ice and water in the valleys and on the eaves. Then we're going to lay our synthetic underlayment. So that's going to be the moisture barrier between the wood deck and the shingles, so that if any water was to get through there, it would push it out. From there, we'll install our drip edge and gutter apron around the perimeter. Once that's installed, we'll install our starter strip shingle that's installed on the eaves and rakes, which in other words, it's all the way around the perimeter of the home. And then from that point, we'll start installing our field shingles all the way up till we get to the ridge, which is going to be the peak of your roof. And then from there, we will install a molded ridge vent, and on top of that, we will install a ridge cap shingle. Now, the alternative to the molded ridge vent would be a box vent. So not on every job are we doing the molded ridge vent, but most of them we are. While this work's being completed, we'll have a job site supervisor out at your home. So that way, if you have any questions about the installation of your roof, you're free to ask them. For cleanup and inspection, so the crew's gonna go around the house. Once the roof is complete, they're gonna make sure any debris is picked up and thrown in the dump. And then they're going to roll magnets that will pick up any loose nails or anything like that. The job site supervisor will also walk around the perimeter to make sure that the crew hasn't missed anything. However, sometimes things are missed. So if something is missed at your job, feel free to reach out to your sales representative and let them know, and then they can come back out afterwards and finish that cleanup. After the job is completed, our office staff here at Hoel Roofing Remodeling will reach out to the manufacturer of the shingle that you selected and register the warranty for that shingle. And if you have any issues with the job after it's completed, if a leak happens or you see something that's bent that you don't really like the aesthetic of it, you'll reach out to either the sales representative who you originally spoke with or the office here at Hoel Roofing Remodeling, and we'll come out to address that for you. Roof replacements can feel overwhelming, but if you know what to expect, it takes a lot of stress out of the process. If you still have questions, drop them in the comment section below. We also have an article that'll be pinned in the description that will give you more information on this subject, or you can reach out to Hoel Roofing and Remodeling to schedule your free consultation at 765-561-4023. We're here to help you feel confident every step along the way.